Southern states are not happy. They're expressing disappointment with the Union Budget 2025-26. The much anticipated budget, it appears to have left southern states feeling overlooked and unhappy. So what are the demands? Now, the unmet demands, for example, were in Karnataka, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu chief ministers criticizing government of the centre that they have overlooked south states. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan labelled the budget a political document of neglect. Telangana CM Revanth Reddy claimed proposals sent to the centre by the Telangana government found no place in the budget. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin condemned the budget, claiming the centre allocated funds only to the BJP-governed states. Accusing Prime Minister Modi of looting Karnataka, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah claimed centre gave an empty pot to Karnataka in this year's budget.
श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण जी जो बजट पेश किया गया वो मिडिल क्लास लोगों के लिए, खासकर एम्प्लॉइज हो, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में काम करने वाले एम्प्लॉइज हो, छोटे बिजनेस करने वाले सभी लोगों को बहुत फायदा होता है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में देश में जो आम जनता के विकास के लिए, देश के डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी स्कीम इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, इम्प्लीमेंट कर रही है, वो स्कीम कंटिन्यू करने का निर्णय किया है। मैं इसके लिए भी आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं।
आज आपने बजट में भी देखा होगा, ठीक है, कुछ अनाउंसमेंट्स किए, ठीक है, लेकिन महंगाई की एक भी बात नहीं हुई, एक भी बात नहीं हुई। आप ध्यान में रखिए कि इस देश में सिर्फ 7 करोड़ लोग टैक्स पे करने के लायक हैं। बाकी जो जनता है, 135 करोड़ जनता जो है वो टैक्स भी नहीं दे सकती, कमा नहीं रही है। महंगाई इतनी हो गई है कि कमर टूटी जा रही है, तो इसकी चर्चा क्यों नहीं हो रही है?
One cannot make an assessment of the budget merely by listening to the finance minister's speech. That's a very, very brief synopsis of the budget in detail. One has to read the budget in detail, look at the details before giving any kind of assessment.
We requested for some special package because our divisive pool was drastically came down in during the finance commission. Everyone knows that there is an imbalance or injustice. So, and we are facing a lot of problem that we requested for a special package. Then the Wayanad incident, that flood and the landslide, we requested for a special package for that. The people, it's a very huge casualty happened. More emphasis was given to some political reasons. That is very clear.
The budget has not addressed the issues concerning plaguing the Indian economy, the rural distress, the stagnation of the manufacturing sector, the unemployment. Nothing has been addressed. Now as a gimmick, this income tax exemption has been brought in, which affects only the 2% of the Indian population. The economic survey has been very categorical. Where does the Indian economy stand? Has this budget addressed any of these issues? Absolutely no.